Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the parabola part 4. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here. Otherwise you can subscribe at the end. Following on from our earlier videos on the parabola, we will now look at how to find the intersection of a line and a parabola. Our first example will use a graphical method. For example, find the intersection of the line y equals 2x minus 7 and the parabola y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. Now, in order to make our work easier, I have factorized the right hand side here, as you can see. Now let's find 4 points on the parabola so we can sketch it. So if you let x equals 0 and you substitute that into the equation, you get y equals 5. If you let x equals 1, that gives you y equals 0. If you let x equals 5, that gives you y equals 0. And if you let x equals 3, that gives you y equals minus 4. So if you plot those points and then join them together, that'll give you the position of the parabola. So the parabola has been drawn on the right. We need to find 2 points on the line in order to draw it. So remember, in order to draw a straight line, you need at least 2 points. So if you let x equals 4, so if you put x equals 4 here, that is twice 4 are 8. 8 minus 7 gives you 1. So 1 point on the line is 4, 1. If you let x equals 1, then y equals minus 5. So another point on the line is 1 minus 5. So there's 4, 1. There's 1 minus 5. If you join those red dots together, that gives you the line y equals 2x minus 7. I've got some green dots here, and that is where the line intersects the parabola. So you will find that the 2 points where the line intersects the parabola are 2, minus 3, and 6, 5. So the points of intersection are 6, 5, and 2, minus 3. Now you have to be very accurate with your graph, and that way you can answer the question. The algebraic method. Find the intersection of the line y equals minus 2x plus 5 and the parabola y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. And here's the factorization again. So some points on the parabola are 0, 5, 1, 0, 5, 0, and 3, minus 4. So you'll see the parabola is sketched on the right. Remember, we are using an algebraic method here, but I thought it'd be a good idea just to do the sketching anyway, just to show you what's happening. So there's the parabola, which is sketched on the right. Now here are the two equations, y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5 and y equals minus 2x plus 5. From this equation here and this equation here, it follows that x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals minus 2x plus 5. Because they're both equal to y, that means they're equal to each other. When we simplify this equation here, we get x squared minus 4x equals 0, which is x outside of x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals 0 or x equals 4. So when x equals 0, we get y equals 5. When x equals 4, we get y equals minus 3. So all you do is substitute into the equations here to get those values. So the points of intersection are 0, 5, and 4, minus 3. So here are the points of intersection, 0, 5, and 4, minus 3. And that's how you use the algebraic method. Basically, it's solving some simultaneous equations. Here's a quick quiz to help you, and please check through the video at any time. What is the meaning of the following? Desktop. How cute is that? Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and please use the video at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe on the next slide and you will receive a notification as to when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.